We are on day 2 of our little trip up to Muscatine, Iowa from Ridgeville, South Carolina, carrying these electrodes. Got up about 4:30, started driving in the dark, which I particularly don't care for. Already did a load check this morning at 150 miles. And now we're going to pull in here at a pilot. We're going to do another load check. Even though it hasn't been 150 miles, we'll do another load check anyway. And we'll do a 30-minute break. We made our way through South Carolina. Now we're in North Carolina, just west and north of Asheville. Going to be heading up into Tennessee, a little bit through Kentucky, into Indiana, and hopefully we can make Whiteland, just south of Indianapolis, by the end of the day. So rainy, foggy, cloudy day. Got Hurricane Florence back to the east to let it see. So hopefully I'll be inland enough and westerly enough that I don't have to deal with any of that kind of weather. It may clean the bugs off the windshield and the paint, but
in 2 miles, take exit 24.
It don't help.
North Carolina 209 toward Lake Junaluska, Hot Springs.
Very, very. Coming up on my turn here. Exit 24. Pull in, grab some ice, put my water on, so I have a cool drink. And maybe grab a bite to eat. here for about 30 minutes, 35 minutes. Do our mandatory half-an-hour break. Yeah, nice rough potholes. So, you know, you got to take it a little bit slow. Because these trucks are not made for comfort. They're made to, you know, roll down the highway with weight. So, all right, so we're going to park here at the very back, so we just have a straight exit, so we don't have to spin, you know, scrub our wheels. I mean, wet ground's going to help, you know, the turning a little bit, but the less we can scrub the wheels with this split axle, the better. Alright, some flashers on so everybody knows what we're doing. Windows down. Plenty of room so that we're as straight as possible backing up. And there we go. All right. So here we're going to go hours of service. Change that to off duty. Remarks. We're going to put brake. And start our 30-minute break. Alright, our 30-minute break is done. The load has been checked. Make sure everything's still nice and tight, nothing's shifted, nothing's moved, none of the straps are broken. Everything is the way it's supposed to be. So we will leave the pilot here at Crabtree Road in Waynesville, North Carolina.